I'll be very brief. What you're witnessing here is nothing else but persecution. That's why you see us all united against the persecution of one man who has stood up to point a finger in the right direction. It is not a secret in the world. From the North Pole to the South Pole, to the entire world, mwizi number one in Kenya anajulikana. He is known. EACC, you should be pointing your guns at that mwizi number one who is known, not at those who are pointing at him and calling him mwizi so that we can all hear. This is pure persecution. You shall not succeed, William Ruto. You shall fail as you failed in everything else. This is just shows you and shows the world just how desperate you are. You are failing and you will continually fail. Asante sana.